Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to strictly just be my refrigerator organization. It looks horrible. This is absolutely embarrassing, but we're a family of 4, but I'm going to have to say family of 3 because baby girl is not in the refrigerator. So I told you guys if you watch my vlog that one of our turmeric juices burst in the fridge. So that's what all the yellow stuff is that you see. But yeah, it looks gross and disgusting, and yeah, got some things to clear out. So be sure you're subscribed, comment below, and yeah, let's get into the organizational bins that I purchased from TJ Maxx, and then we're gonna get started with cleaning out the fridge. And I got these containers to organize the fridge. I got some little ice cubes because I like to drink ice in my wine. So I thought those were cute. I have another egg tray, which I have an exact one that we purchased a while ago.
Yeah. 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 On me. Yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low-key, you know that you one of a kind. Wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing will, Lord. Yeah, my thing will. Yeah, my thing will, yeah, my thing will. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing will, Lord. Yeah, my thing will. Nyama-tende, oh Lord, nyama-tende, oh. Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing will, Lord. Yeah, my thing will. Yeah, my thing will, Lord. Yeah, my thing will. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Baby, do you know if you ready for me? Ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me. Baby, do you know if you ready for me? Ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing will, Lord. Yeah, my thing will. Yeah, my thing will, Lord. Yeah, my thing will. She said, let me know when you ready for me. Ready for me, ready for me. me so cold sometimes, girl.
Giving you the best of me, amazing, outrageous. It's simple, I love it. Having you near me, having you here. Our conversations, outrageous. You smile, and I smile when I say, oh, this is getting personal, personal, personal. Let's stay for a while and play. Girl, let's make this a moment. Oh, giving you the best of me. Amazing, amazing. Oh, having you close to me. Amazing, outrageous. Give your best to me. Good morning, good morning. Here's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we've had a ball. Let's catch a movie, then dinner. Tonight's the night we'll just unwind and stay. Hey, let's stay personal, personal, personal. Let's stay for a while. Hey, hey, such a beautiful moment. Oh, giving you the best of me. Ooh, amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, having you close to me, having you close to me. Amazing, amazing, yeah. Giving you the best of me, giving you the best of me. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Having you close to me, having you close to me. Amazing, amazing, outrageous.
You guys, so this is what I have so far in the fridge. Like I said, we have to go grocery shopping, so we're gonna do that, and then I will come back on and just show you guys what the end result is. So this is what we have so far. We have 2 egg containers because we eat a lot of eggs around here. We go through eggs really fast. But I got all of the storage containers from TJ Maxx. 3 of them we had for a while, like a couple months. This one, and then that one. The others I got today, but they're all from TJ Maxx. I love how it looks, so clean and nice and organized. The last thing I'll do, which I probably would just show you guys in like a vlog, because I'm not going to do that today, is label the containers so that we can kind of, you know, like label the size right here, condiments and dressings, things like that. So y'all get it, y'all get it.